In this video, I will guide you through the simple process of showing or hiding rulers within CorelDRAW. This feature is a part of your essential canvas control settings and can help you maintain precision or clear up your workspace whenever you need it. To get started with managing your interface, you first need to move your cursor up to the very top menu bar of the application window. Once you are there, look for the View menu and give it a click. This action will open up a long drawdown list containing various display options for your projects. As you scroll down through the available choices in this menu, keep an eye out for the specific option labeled as Rulers. When you find the word Rulers, simply click on it once to toggle the setting. The behavior of this tool is quite straightforward because it works just like a light switch. If you see a small check mark next to the Rulers option in the menu, it means that the rulers are currently active and will be visible along both the top and the left edges of your drawing workspace. This is incredibly useful for measuring objects or aligning elements perfectly within your design. On the other hand, if there is no check mark present next to the word, the rulers will be hidden from your view entirely. Choosing to hide the rulers is a great way to gain a little bit of extra screen real estate, giving you a slightly larger canvas area to work with while you are focusing on the creative aspects of your layout. You can come back and toggle this setting at any time depending on whether you need measurement guides or a clean interface for your design process. It truly is that easy to customize your canvas layout based on the specific needs of your current project. Thank you for watching.